Wait. You want to talk about what? Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. You may be wondering why I'm wearing a shirt, and that's a good question. That's because in today's video, we're going to be talking about money. And obviously, when you talk about money, you have to look like you're the part. I'm sorry I haven't been able to post over the last 2 weeks. I am in the middle of editing another video. It's basically how to edit videos on DaVinci Resolve. So it's kind of a little bit like Inception for me when I'm editing myself, editing a video. It's like mind-blowing. But that will be coming up soon. It's just been taking me a little while longer than I would like. And it's just kind of like, it's sucking the energy out of me. So I wanted to do a different video. And that's why I wanted to do the one that we're doing today, just because I wanted a little bit of a refresher, and I wanted to kind of like get back into the YouTube spirit of things, and just, yeah, I don't know, I wanted to recollect myself. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about money, specifically how to make money on Twitch, but also we're going to go into the realms of how to make money in content creation as a whole. Now, it's kind of a bit of a taboo topic, and a lot of people don't like talking about it. I don't understand why. I've never had a problem with discussing finances or talking about it, but I guess that may be just the way I was raised. If you guys are interested in actually looking at how much money I make personally, I know that's a bit of a no-no in the kind of the Twitch and content creation sphere, but if you guys are interested, make sure you leave a like, because that will let me know how many people want to see the next kind of video, and we'll kind of break down my personal finances and that kind of thing in regards to content creation, so you guys can have a kind of more of a better understanding of how much you really can kind of make doing this as a full-time job. So the first thing to talk about really is like, how do you even make money on Twitch? Now that's a question I get asked quite a lot, because people coming in for the first time or people that are affiliates don't actually know how the Twitch process works. So on Twitch, unlike other platforms like YouTube, you actually make money from the users on the platform. Now that's not saying you can't make money from Twitch itself with things like ads revenue and game sales, but those are really uncommon, and that's not really how many people make their money. The most common way of making money is through paid subscriptions, which your audience can give you, also through bits, which are almost like a form of Twitch like virtual currency. So 100 bits I think is equal to $1. And you can also make money through donations, which are direct linked to your PayPal account, and people can just send you money that way. Now that concept may seem very alien to some people, especially if you're coming to Twitch for the first time. To me, it was definitely alien. I'd never kind of experienced anything like that. I had previously had a job on YouTube before where I was making money, and I made all my money through ad revenue. So there was no kind of like interaction from the audience, you know, it was just kind of more passive income. People watch stuff. I then happen to make money if they watch those adverts or they click on those adverts. Whereas Twitch is very much that you rely on your audience to make money that way. Now, I did also mention that I wanted to talk about making money as a content creator as a whole, as well as like how we can kind of go through making money on Twitch. Now you understand how the money is made. So the first kind of thing you want to do with Twitch itself is you want to iron out the points that make you interesting. So either you're incredibly skilled artist, you're incredibly skilled at video games, you kind of have that special selling point that make you unique, because Twitch is almost like a subscription service like Netflix, right? So the people that I support, the people that I invest in, the reason why I watch them is because they provide me with entertainment that I can't get anywhere else. Be through either through special skills, because they're phenomenal video game players, or they're incredible artists, or they're really good singers, anything like that. Kind of that added value is the reason why I watch them, and it's the reason why I want to support them. Also, getting to know your community, being more personable, getting to know your audience. Like my audience, for example, I guarantee I probably know what they're doing next weekend, where they've recently been on holiday, kind of even know what they had for dinner that night. Just kind of having that really personal relationship, because it helps people feel invested in you, and let them know your story, let them know why you're full-time, what you're doing, all that kind of thing. Like the people I support, again, I support them because I know they're full-time content creators. I support them because I feel like I have a close relationship with them. In reality, I probably don't, but I feel like I do, so that makes me want to support those people. Also, if you want help with things like you're buying a new house or you need to pay rent that month, having a donation goal at the bottom of your streams is a really, really good way, just because it allows your audience who know you to kind of see what you're kind of going for, the goals you're kind of reaching for, and if they want to, they can help out. Now with Twitch, it is really important not to become expectant of money. Like I said, it's not passive income. Your audience are the ones supplying you with your income, so it's really important not to kind of like get into that mindset where you expect people to give you stuff, because at the end of the day, they don't have to give you anything. They're there watching you for free. It should be a free viewing experience, and it should be you providing entertainment because you want to, and you want to make people's days. Now it's entirely up to them. If they want to support you financially, then that's super awesome, and it's really, really great, and that's amazing, but don't become reliant on that. That kind of flows nicely into my point that I want to make about making other revenue streams as a content creator as a whole. Like I said, Twitch is very, very volatile, especially around certain months like September. People go back to school, so there's not many people around, there's not as much money to be had. The same with on December, obviously it's Christmas, people are traveling people are buying presents, there's less money being spent on Twitch. So you can actually see a huge drop in your revenue around these kind of months. Especially this year, COVID has left people without jobs. COVID has left people without money. It's been a struggle for everyone. So a lot of people haven't been able to financially support the people that they necessarily want to. So that's why it's really important to use things like YouTube, getting YouTube partner, making YouTube videos so you can make passive ad revenue that way, working with sponsors, working with people doing review products. I'm going to be reviewing this product on my YouTube video. This was sent to me. So working with companies like that. Also sponsorships as well. I'm obviously sponsored by GFuel. You can use code ICE at checkout to save yourself 30% right now for Halloween. And I'm also sponsored by SteelSeries Digital Storm. SteelSeries code is IceWhite12. I use a full SteelSeries peripheral set. And I've got a whole video on how to get sponsors if you're interested in that. So you can either click up here. I think there should be like a little exclamation point here, or the link will be in the description. That's how actually I make my money. I make most of my money through paid sponsorships and YouTube. Twitch is actually like my smallest amount of money earned, but I've tried to maximize my revenue stream, so I've got loads of things coming from different places. Instagram as well and TikTok are both fantastic platforms to make money on. You can do that by doing product reviews. Like I said, with this one, companies will reach out to you. I've had a few companies reach out to me recently asking if I will review their products and put a post on my Instagram. So that's another really good way to utilize all of that. If you're interested in growing your Instagram, again, I have another video on that as well. That's pretty much it. Ad revenue, sponsorships through people giving you stuff for the kindness of the heart is basically how you make money on all of these different platforms. I hope that kind of cleared it up a little bit. Like I said in the very start of this video, if you want me to go through how I actually make all of my money, really discuss my revenue streams, how I've gone about getting my sponsorships, all those kind of things, and giving you all the insights to really kind of help you, then do leave a like or leave a comment to let me know if you do want to see that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like. Also hit subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all the videos coming out on this channel. There will be very similar content to this. I will be doing a video on DaVinci Resolve, like I said at the start of the video, coming in next week. We also have a Discord designed especially for content creators like you. We'll also be starting a stream team soon. So if you want to reach me personally, ask me any more follow-up questions, hit up my Twitter, hit up my Instagram, or just join the Discord. I'm in chat most of the time. I'll probably be hanging out in community voice chat as well if you want to speak voice to voice. That's always a possibility. Anyway guys, I love you lots. I will catch you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Koshiro senpai.
Puppy? Nani?
Sorry, it's just the excitement every time I see senpai. It's ridiculous.